Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today's video. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned, and don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and the bell as well, so you can get a notification every time I do upload a video. So I'm just gonna stick my hair back so we can get into this makeup. First of all, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. It doesn't matter, sometimes I do my face first and eyebrows, or eyebrows first and then face. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows today, and I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brown Wiz in dark brown, and I'm just gonna fill that in lightly, not too dark. So we're just going to clean that up with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer so the eyebrows can really pop and be sharp as well. And I'm just using a flat rounded brush. Sometimes I do use like a square and brush, flat square and brush as well. It depends on my mood really. And then after that, we're just going to blend that out. Please do not mind my ashy hands. Next, I go into my eyelids. So I'm gonna set my eyelids with the concealer and blend that into the same concealer that I use for my eyebrows as well. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna go in with that deep orange color, and I'm just gonna place that on the outer corners of my eyes and just form like my V, you know, the outer V. And I'm just going to blend that towards my crease and past my crease as well, you know, because I want that. That's where I want it. And then I'm going to go in with this light orange, and I'm just going to place that at the center of my eyes, and I'm going to do the same thing as well and just blend that way above my crease. Don't worry about it being light. I'm gonna go back in to darken every color on my eyelid as well. And I'm using just one brush for everything because I don't have the strength to use more than, but you can definitely use more than one brush if you want. So I'm just going to go in with the golden color from that eyeshadow palette as well, and just put that on the inner corner of my eyelids, and you know, just work that in. So now I'm going to darken the colors, and I'm going to use this matte brush to, you know, just make them darker. Because I want the inner corner of my eyes to pop a little bit more, I'm just going to go on with that BH Cosmetics from the Itsmyrayeraye palette color and just put that on top of that. Now I'm using a clean brush to just blend the outer edges, just to make that, you know, look blended and nice. Next, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and just, you know, do what I do. And then with lashes, I cannot remember the exact lashes that I use here, but I'm pretty sure it's from the Ardell collection, but you can use any lash that you have. It would go perfect with the look. With eyelashes, it's a get it or don't get it. Some days you get it, some days you don't, and this is one of the days that, you know, it was almost. Next, we're gonna do the face. So I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm just gonna blend that into my whole face. I did prime my face. I think I used the e.l.f. blur stick, I think so. And I'm just gonna blend that into my, you know, neck and my ears as well. If you guys do hear any noise in the background, that's just my laptop making so much noise, but yeah. Next, I'm gonna highlight, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I've been with this concealer for many years. It's good. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer as well. This is also a really good concealer, and I just like the effect it gives me when I add the two of them together. Next, I'm using this beauty blender that I got from Winners. I cannot remember the name, but I'm just going to blend that into my whole face, you know. And you don't want to go too far, you just want to blend where you put it. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the shade Medium Deep. So I'm just going to put that brush into the powder and dust off any, you know, excess that I do have, because I don't want it to be too much on there. You just want to set the face. So I'm just going to set every area that I did put highlight. I'm just going to set that area, you know, so it stays put. Next, I'm going to set my face with the same powder but in the darker shade. I'm just going to use that to set my whole face. And then I'm going to go in with my setting spray, the e.l.f. Cosmetic Setting Spray. And I'm just going to use that all over my face. Next, we're going to do blush and contour together. I really like this color for contour sometimes. So I'm going to go in with that color with an angled brush and just put it where I would put my contour and just bring it up a bit to where I would put my blush, if you know what I mean. Next, I'm going to go in with that color from the BH Cosmetics Itsmyrayeraye palette and just use it to contour the rest of my face. Next, we're going to highlight. I'm going to use this nice beautiful golden color to highlight my face, and I'm just using this fluffy brush to highlight, you know, every part of your face you want to highlight. Usually you highlight the highest points of your face, yeah. And if you do have imperfection, ladies, you know, don't go too heavy on the highlight. As you can see, you just brought out everything. So I should have gone less on that side than the other side. And so I'm going to contour my nose and highlight my nose as well. Next, onto the lips, I'm using this Wet n Wild eye pencil. I mean, yes, I use it for my lips because I like the color it gives me. And then we're going in with an OG MAC Cosmetics Ruby Woo lipstick, and we're just going to blend the two together. And voila, this is the end product of this look. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click on that bell button so you get a notification every time I do upload a video. Thanks so much for watching, and yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye.